Oh, oops. Wow, look. Do you like it? Huh. Let's see. Came with instruction manual. Let's see what's inside. Got this manual, instruction, quick guide, and
where did you get the butter knife from, baby?
a recipe. Okay, let's begin the unboxing.
Baby, what's this?
Let me switch angle. This pressure cooker I got from Amazon, and I think this was the cheapest one. I got for around $67. Okay, let's see what it is. This is from the brand COSORI. Has really good features, because all other pressure cooker are more than $100. This is the cheapest one I could get. Okay, it has some seal vent lock, basically pretty good. You can see this is to vent the excess steam. And let's check something. Let's open this one. Okay, so just like the other pressure cooker, this one comes with the sealant, and then there's a whistle. Right, it says hot steam release valve can cause burn. Okay, we make sure that doesn't happen. Surface, hot surface, do not touch. Okay, we'll make sure that too. Let's see, should I remove it? Let's just leave it right there. And then this is just basic instruction. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I think it's good. And it comes with some instruction. Let's see. Okay, thank you for amping up the light. Okay, just like the other pressure cookers, they also give this one, right, to put stuff. Okay, good job. This one is really nice coated, as you can see.
Yeah.
And came with this tag, ring, bottom. Okay, this is ready to go. Let's put this back. Okay, this is for the excess water. Okay. Let's figure out how to put this back. Okay. I don't know what this is. We'll see what this is. Oh, it's just a lock. Okay. Let's put this one back on.